my name is Kimberly. Go ahead and get in an easy seated position. And what we're going to do today is that we're going to focus on a gentle meditation, and we're going to be focusing on our chakras. If we don't know what a chakra is, there's many chakras in our body, but there's 7 main chakras. They come from the root all the way up to our crown. And we'll go through those in the layers of the poses that we're going to be doing today, which are yin yoga. Yin yoga is basically the most powerful yoga that you can do. So not only does sitting in these poses open up the connective tissues, so allowing space through the muscles, the tendons, and the ligaments, what it does is it creates that space, but it allows you to let go of stagnation and allows, as you were talking about recently, like procrastination, things that go on in your life that you store. So in these poses, you will come to stillness, and using your breath, coax your body to open up. And we sit in these poses anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. And I'm just going to encourage you to breathe. I'm going to encourage you in each one of these poses, they're represented for the chakras. So we start from the root chakra. So let's just gently get in the easy seated position. Place your palms on your knees. And start to take notice of your breath. Start breathing in through the nose. And an open mouth exhale. Start to let all the mental chatter going from the day, maybe you're talking about work or grocery list or what you have to do after work, just let that go. And slowly move down to your shoulders. Taking a nice inhale in, and on the exhale, drop the shoulders away from your ears. And slowly come to your chest and to the back of your spine. And maybe there's some tension of maybe coming here and through traffic. So take a nice inhale in, and a slow exhale and let it go. All the way up. And then slowly move to the other side. Just as slow as you came into the first one, into the second one. Take a nice inhale in and twist your body towards that extended leg. And then slowly walk so your body is on the inside of your thigh. Come down as far as you can. And then slowly meet me in downward facing dog. So you gently place your palms down on the earth. Walk your feet hip width apart. Maybe you might want to pedal out your feet. And then finding stillness. Lift your right leg high to the sky, and then exhale, sleeping swan. So bring your knee to the back of your wrist and make a check mark or a 7. And then gently walk your foot all the way back and untuck your toes. Sit up nice and tall so your hips are even on the earth. Take a nice inhale in and exhale, sleeping swan. So gently lower yourselves all the way down. You can be right here on your forearms. If you want to come all the way down, you're more than welcome. You can stack your fists so you allow your forehead to rest. Whatever feels comfortable for you. And this is for the sacral chakra. So imagine that orange color opening up. And a lot of the areas are tight, like your piriformis that you're feeling right now across your backside of your body. Continue breathing into that area. And breathe. And then slowly come onto your abdomen. So just kind of roll over to either side and come all the way down onto your forearms. Coming into Sphinx pose. So place your forearms down on your mat. So your elbows are like right by the tops of your rib cage, palms facing down. Tops of the feet are on the earth. And your gaze and your drishti is right up at the top of your mat. No constriction in the back of your neck. Now drop the shoulders away from your ears and press into your elbows and just allow the forearms to be in earth. Relax your glutes, your thighs. Just relax everything and feel the sensation in your lower back. Your feet on the earth. We'll go ahead and do a couple cat-cow just to kind of open the body up. Take a nice inhale in, drop your belly, lift your tail and the crown of your head towards the sky for cow. And then exhale, cat. Tuck your tailbone under, pull your spine, your belly button all the way to your spine, and pull your crown chakra. So imagine your tail and the crown touching. Inhale, cow. Drop that belly. Pull your abdominal muscles all the way and back to your spine. Take a nice inhale in. And then exhale, lower yourselves all the way down to the ground with nice control movements. Once you pass your sacrum, that flat area in your back, you'll start to move into the lower lumbar. And then lower yourselves one vertebrae at a time. When you get down to the earth, place your palms down on the earth and then slowly send your legs up towards the sky. Imagine you're pressing the tiles up off the roof and draw your toes towards your face. If this is a little bit too intense for your back, take your hands and interlace them under your sacrum and just kind of hold your, so you calcify your pineal gland. And then find stillness. Not only is this opening up your hips, connecting your heart to the earth, your solar plex, and your sacral chakra, by connecting you with your own intuition, with Mother Earth, trusting she has you. And then slowly bring one knee in at a time for embryo pose. And then slowly lower your heels down, your glutes down to your heels. Place your forehead down to the earth and extend your arms out to the side, palms facing up. Feel how you're in a little cocoon and all of the chakras are in line. Point and flex your feet and come to the center of your mat. Take a nice inhale in, extend your arms all the way out. And then on the exhale, slowly lower yourselves back down to the earth. Nice and control. Tightening up your abs. And slowly one vertebrae at a time. Draw your knees one last time up towards your chest. Again, rock and roll from side to side. And then tighten yourself up in the tightest little ball you possibly can. Tighten up every muscle.